8 pieces of wisdom that can change your life. My dear YouTubers, welcome back again. Here with you, Teacher Hilqan Abdi Adam. Number one, words are powerful. Use them wisely. Number two, people come and go, but the right one is staying. You are doing enough, even if it doesn't feel like it. Number four, failure is when you don't try. Number five, random acts of kindness make everyone feel better. Number six, live for today, not for tomorrow. Number seven, never look back. There is nothing there for you. Number eight, overthinking kills happiness. Yes, of course, my dear friends and my dear brothers and sisters. My dear brothers, let me analyze it. What is powerful? Use them wisely. Here what mean is, don't tell anyone. Use only the important ones. Number two, people come and go, but the right one is stay. Otherwise, thank you, my brothers and sisters. Please like, subscribe, comment. I wish you success. I'm your teacher Hilqan. Thank you a lot.